If you're a lover of heavily peated single malt Scotch whisky, you cannot go past the Ardbeg 10. Keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to do a review on some heavily peated Scotch whisky, single malt Scotch whisky. I'm super excited. It's been a few years that it's taken me to become a really big lover of heavily peated Scotch, and Ardbeg, as well as, let's say, for example, Lefroy up there. It's an Islay Single Malt whisky. It's been around since 1815 when the founders, the McDougalls of Ardbeg, created it. It's made with heavily peated malted barley that sits at around 55 to 65 parts per million, or fennel parts per million, and the malted barley comes from Port Ellen. Now, Ardbeg used to have their own kiln-fired maltings, however they closed that down in 1977. It's batched and bottled at 46% ABV, it's aged in ex-bourbon casks for 10 years, and it is non-chill filtered. What I love about the Ardbeg is, although it is heavily peated, it's a very well-balanced peated whiskey. Now, as far as the colour goes, it's a very light, pale straw. I'm not sure whether it has colouring added to it, but I don't think so. Let's give it a bit of a nose. It's pungent, smoky wood, vanilla, a little bit of citrus there. Actually smells really well balanced. It's not overpowering. Give it a try. Okay. On the palate, straight away I'm getting sweetness, vanilla, a little bit salty, but more a salted caramel. I'm getting smoked hay. Obviously that peat's coming through. It really tastes so well balanced. On the finish, it's very oily, it's very long. Once again, I'm getting that sea salt, salted caramel, maybe even like a touch of star anise. And then as it fades away, it's that sort of like salty, smoky peat bog. It just makes me want to just try more again. That bitterness at the end just automatically, it says, hey, give me some more of that sweet, smoky, salty goodness. I really love this now. This was something that when I first started my journey in whiskey, I just could not tolerate. I say to most of you guys that are starting your journey with whiskey and you find that peated whiskies are a little bit too full on for you, keep going, keep trying, getting your palate right, because before you know, you're gonna love it. So guys, please, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.